Here we go. Laura Bird. Ah! Hey, watch this. Uh-oh. I thought I would enjoy retirement. Hey, pardon me. Hey, tear him up, Boogie. Laura Bird. Go!
Sir, maybe we can be friends.
Miss! Okay, my turn. I try now.
I want to play too, Uncle Dwight.
Hey, I got Steph. Yeah, where you going, boy? Hey, yo! Uh-oh! Hit him with the...
Well, hello there.
Hey, that backboard is your friend, big fella. You gotta use it. Okay. Oh, no, what? Well, this looks like a good spot to shoot Laura Bird. Here's Moses Moody with the corner three. Man, he can take that. Laura Bird! I feel like knocking someone out with my balls today. Boy got clamped for 23 seconds. Yeah, throw up that air ball. Bruh!